guys, I'm Nella. Welcome to All Things Hair. I'm going to show you 5 ways to style short ombre hair. Look 1, space buns. We're going to start with some anti-frizz product. Popping a pea-size amount into your palm. We're going to do a center parting. We're going to start with the first space bun. Just grab the hair from the ear upwards and tie with an elastic band. We're going to twist it and just wrap it around and pin it into place. And do exactly the same on the other side. Like so. Look 2, half up and half down. Grab a bunch of hair from the ears up. Before you tie it, we're going to just grab some curls to come down on the front of it. And then tie it. So for the next 3 styles, we need to have straight hair. So I'm just going to go straight in my hair. See you soon. So for look 3, we're going to do a slick side parting. As you can see with straight hair, the ombre is very exaggerated and you can see it better. So we're going to start with making a side parting. And then we're going to use some oil to just slick the hair down a bit. And to finish it, we're going to get rid of the flyaways with some hairspray. And that's your slick side parting. This is look 4, a sleek pony. So we're going to start with a center parting. Grab a band and a brush and scrape it to the nape of the neck as neatly as possible and tie it. We're going to grab a brush and spray it with some hairspray. Just get rid of all the flyaway bits to make it as sleek as possible. This is look 5, a half up bun. We're going to start with getting a brush and bringing half the hair all the way around to the back of the head. Before tying it, we're just going to bring a little bit of hair to fall forward by the ears. We're going to grab an elastic band and we're going to pass the hair through it once, fully. And the second time, we're going to just stop it halfway. And we're going to finish it off with some hairspray to fix it into place. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed it.